Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Alright, so what's good YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Son, who's my son? 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 Who's my son?
And we are back with another video. And today we're gonna be checking out some Air Jordan 8s. Now if you're brand new to the channel, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below, as this year we are on the journey to hitting 10,000 subscribers, and you could be the subscriber to bring us that much more closer. So please do me a favor, go on and do yourself a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. Also, you're brand new, you're probably going to want to get notified every time we drop a brand new video around here, and me, I like to keep it consistent, or at least I try to keep it consistent. All you got to do is hit that little notification bell down below, and it'll do exactly that. It'll let you know every time we drop a brand new video. But anyway guys, what's going on? Happy Sunday. I hope everyone has had a great weekend. Back to the grind tomorrow, Monday, back to work, come home, work out, make a video for you guys, upload it. Life is very busy, but I wanted to say we are 293 subscribers away from 7,000 subscribers. So please, if you are not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button down below. I would truly appreciate it. All right guys, now we talked about this pair before. We actually did an on foot review, so if you want to check that out really quick, hit the link at the top of the screen. It'll take you directly to that video, but make sure you come back here. We're going to talk a little bit more about these. These do not release until September. And what shoe I'm talking about, obviously you gotta know. I'm talking about the Air Jordan 8 Playoff. Now this shoe, back in 1993, I was about 8 years old. I do actually remember watching, MJ play in that NBA Finals. We were actually watching it on a black and white 13-inch TV with the the hanger, a metal hanger out the back of it. Yeah man, times were rough. I'm actually blessed, man. But guys, what do you guys think of these Air Jordan 8s? I actually love these, man. These actually really do take me back to my childhood, man, and just all the good times I had, in my childhood. Not that it was the best, but there was times in there that there were good times, and these just remind me of that. Just the colorway, the way they constructed the shoe, the material is really nice. Now I heard a couple of people complaining about when was the last time these released? I believe back in 2013. They really didn't like the material, but now the nubuck on here and the suede is just different, guys. Really nice, man. As for the details, look at the inside, the sock liner. I think that's the coolest, man. That's got to be the coolest sock liner on an Air Jordan, to be honest with you. But the details on this shoe are really dope. You see, you got the patch here on the tongue, very clean. Also, what most won't realize, but that is the original with the red pull tab. Really nice. My man Jumpman Bostic, he is a huge Air Jordan 8 fan. He knows all the details, about an Air Jordan 8. So if you want to get more details into it, all you got to do is actually follow him on Instagram. I'll actually leave his link in the description. But as for the inside as well, it's got that red and black, that white plastic mesh. Really dope, man. Now for the bottom of the shoe, I think that's a really, that's a contender for best Air Jordan outsole, if you ask me. Really dope. A lot of colors. I like the blue. The blue really makes it pop that much more. And you got that big golden Jumpman. Very dope. But guys, these drop in 2 months. I actually picked these up from GOAT. They had them for like $500. So I said, you know what, I actually want these. I know I'm probably not going to get them on release day, so let me jump for it and get it now. And I did, and we got the shoe right here for you guys. But anyway guys, I want to thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart, man, for tuning in you know, rocking with me. I truly appreciate it. And as for requests on subscribers, they actually asked me to do a video on an Air Jordan, you know, Air Jordan lows for the summer. That should be coming up soon. I'm gonna do some research, check that out for you, so stay tuned for that. But guys, I really do appreciate you guys tuning in, checking me out day in and day out. But until next time, guys, it is your man, the Son of Some Man, and we're out, guys. Peace.